Today, me and Alec are going to be racing and seeing how many rides we can go on in 30 minutes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, the challenge has started. I don't know what Corbyn's plan is, but we're just going to try to ride as many slides as we can in 30 minutes.
Okay, so here's my plan. I'm going to go on every single ride here, and then hopefully after get to chill in the lazy river because Alec is extremely slow. So let's go.
We're starting with the Boomerango Aquaconda combo, but the line's looking pretty long, so we'll see how this goes.
Alright, so first off, I'm going to be going to Cook's Cove because they have a lot of slides there, and the lines are really short. You see exactly as I planned. No lines at all. I bet Alec didn't plan this at all. That was quick and easy. I think the next slide I'm going to go on is Tahitian Toucan and Bombay Blasters.
Aquaconda and Boomerango done. Now we're going to the solo rider slides.
You know, sometimes I wish I could run, but this is a water park, so I can't. I don't want to slip.
Here goes Tahitian Toucan and Bombay Blasters. There we go.
All right, we're here. There's no line. This is about to be light work. Oh, hey, funny seeing you here.
Oh, look who I found. How much time is left?
I think we got like 20 minutes left. All right, Bombay Blasters time. I almost forgot. Tala and Mono both don't have any lines. Let's go. Done with Tala, on to Mono. Alright, since we're already in the area, I'm going to be going on Tomcat Racers. And since I'm already ahead of him, I already know I'm going to beat this guy. We're already in the bag. Alright, you guys, 30 minutes is up. Gotta go get back to Alec.
Time's up. We rode 6 slides in 30 minutes.
Oh man, I feel a little down to myself because I don't think I went on enough rides. So hopefully Alec won't win. Alright, no sign of Alec. I think this fool is cheating.
10 years later.
Well. Look who finally decided to show up. Alright, Alec, how many rides did you go on?
I rode 6 slides. How about you?
I rode 11.
What? How did you get 11 slides?
Well, Alec, I went to Cook's Cove. Victory dance! Thank you for watching this video, you guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment below.
Let us know what other challenges you want us to do around the park.
And we'll see you at the top of the slide.